Hey, so this feature has been added to our new feature updates just like overnight. One of our customers had made a request, and the development team heard that and said, you know what, let's do it. So I'm going to try my best to explain it. Let's go ahead and do a brand new or initiate a brand new takeoff. Let's go quarter scale. Okay. So I have this, we need to scale this one too because we're going to use this page. So I have this page here, and I want to go ahead and do just one measurement, okay? And I'm going to use box mode, start takeoff, and then I will just do a quick little box, okay? And why don't we go ahead, yeah, that is fine. All right, so let's say I want to copy this to a new page. Obviously, copy and paste. Let's do that. Copy, go here, paste, and it shows up over here. But you really don't want to have to move it every time because that's kind of a little bit of a pain. Not bad. So let's say I go here, I give this guy a copy, and now if I go to this page, but don't click on anything in the page, just on the left tab, just hit Control V, it'll put it in the exact same coordinates as on the first page. Okay, so that means you guys can copy a whole bunch of stuff at one time, go there and paste it, and now you can convert this and say, hey, I want this to be second floor, whatever, convert to, if you need to change it. Okay, but now you have this option where you don't have to copy, paste, relocate. It'll just go right to the same exact coordinates that's on the original copy page. So let's do that again. Let's try this kitchen. Okay, we'll do control whatever this is. Get a box mode. All right, stop. Let's copy. Go to this page, and then I'm just going to hit paste. Oh, excuse me, Control V. And there it is. So anyways, I wanted to show that to you. That is a new feature update since the most newest feature update release. So these guys are just constantly adding more and more features. All right, thanks for watching.